Hey, I'm Josh at Vacuums, RS and Sewing 2, and this is Riccar's R70 Smart Deluxe Mop. One of the coolest things about this, it's hard to pick the coolest thing, but one of the coolest things is that it has a self-cleaning mode that works. I've seen lots of self-cleaning modes. This one works. It goes in 3 stages. The first thing it does for about 2 minutes, it sprays and rotates and essentially mops its brushes and sucks all that dirty water up. Then for an additional 5 minutes, it spins the brushes and then sucks all the water out of them. And then for approximately 30 minutes after that, the base actually heats up and dries out the mop brushes. This is awesome because one of the biggest issues we have with these electric mops, and the reason they never really get used that much, is because it takes so long to clean the stupid things, and frankly, it's gross. This thing does it for you. Very simple. It's in the charging stand. I've got cleaning solution in here. It's all full of cleaning solution, and you hit the button.
Self-cleaning started.
It even talks to you. How soothing. It'll sit here for about 3 minutes. It's going to spray and fill the cleaning tray down here with water. It'll rotate the brushes, scrubbing the brushes, and then you'll hear it will suck up the water. So this stage is about 2 minutes. It's going to go through multiple cycles of spraying, rotating, and different levels of suction as it sucks up the dirty water.
Start drying roll of the brush.
This mode runs for about 5 minutes as it rotates and dries the roller brushes. The final stage runs for about 30 minutes. During this stage, the base heats up and there's a small fan that circulates air through there to finish the drying of the brushes after they've been fully washed. Overall, a pretty cool system. Gets everything clean, gets everything dry, keeps it from getting musty, and keeps you from having to get your hands in that nasty stuff.